Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome to Global Love Channel TV, where we bring you the latest happening around the globe. Yes, we told you guys that this 2025 we are in is going to be very hot. For those who say they will not agree, they must agree by force. Yes, please, my people, come and watch this video. As I watch about to watch video, please do well and watch the video to the very end of it. Yes, as you are watching, spread this video, share it for all over the world. Share this video so that other people will see it. Yes, as you are watching, don't forget to touch your hand for subscribe button, like and spread this message around the globe. Don't forget to touch your hand for notification bell so that whenever we upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Yes, oh yeah, let's go in there and watch it unfold. Don't go anywhere. Let's watch it.
Yes, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to all of you, depending your time zone and where you are watching and hearing me from this very wonderful morning. Yes, Biafra, I just want to make common sense as usual, there is what they call envy and there's what they call wickedness. People that are wicked, they're just wicked because they just don't like you. So anything you do, they become very aggressive because they're very wicked. Why is that? It's actually a sickness. The sickness is caused by loneliness, being wicked, to be honest. So if you are lonely and you don't interact with anybody, all of a sudden you just, start developing this low self-esteem, and you just become very wicked to people because ordinarily you don't associate with anybody. So when you see people talking or two individuals that are just on their own doing their own things, you just become very angry at them. Why? Because you don't have a friend or any of such. But you see people that are envious, they are very deadly people. People that are envious just because they can't get to your standard, just because they are not able to control you, just because they are not able to infiltrate you. They find a way to get you down. They find a way to drag you down. Just because you are doing more better than them, they become very jealous of you and they can kill you. That is what envy does. Envy is a very bad disease. These two things I just mentioned, they are disease. Now look at what our Deputy Prime Minister is doing, Madam Ngozi Orabueze, the so-called Fulani woman, giving us, the hope of, getting us something within the shortest space of time. And I want to really ask Biafrans, within the Fulani woman and Isaiah Anyogo, alias Ogenkiri, what has these people achieved? And I'm going to start telling you what they have achieved. Number one, this Fulani, the Fulani woman that declared Biafra on the 29th of November 2024, has been able to point out so many things to us, such as making sure that our current U.S. embassy in Connecticut, in United States, Washington, D.C., is going to be opened next month on the 30th. They have gone to over 8 countries in Africa to create the awareness of the independent states of Biafra. Why? Because they've got all the documents as a nation. What has Isaiah Onyogo done in these recent days? And the woman is going to be taking question and answers tomorrow, which is on the 11th of this month that we are in, April 2025. So what has Isaiah Anyogo and his cohorts, group of criminal, what have they done? Absolutely nothing. All they do is to go on social media to take pictures, come to blackmail people, and that is all they do. So with these two things now that I have just mentioned, you see that the envy is just that this woman declared Biafra because they could not do it in their own way, because the woman outshined them. That is the problem that they're having. That is the hatredness. That is the wickedness of a human. Jealousy and envy for no reason. Because Madam Orabueze declared it the independent state of Biafra. This is their problem. So they come, they will start analyzing you. This is who you are. This is what they bring, what you have done for Biafrans to know that Isaiah Anyogo is the right person. All they do is to sit on social media and blackmail Madam Orabueze, calling her a Fulani woman. Those names doesn't move her. And you can see what the woman is doing. You can see what she's doing with her cabinet members. If they play, if they show. That is who Madam Orabueze is. A very wonderful woman, a very productive person. Isaiah Anyogo, what have you been able to present to Biafrans? What have you been able to, bring to the table of Biafra so that Biafra will know that you are really working for them? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Only saga. No wonder they said that the Prime Minister told you to get the hell out of social media because you are there constituting nuisance. If at all, Prime Minister said so. If at all he said so. That's allegedly. Because all nuisance cannot constitute. And we have been telling you to come and take question and answer. Biafrans needs to ask you question. Do you want to rule yourself to Biafrans as Nigerian terrorist government who does not come to answer question, take question and answer from their own citizens? You said you are the APM, you are the Deputy Prime Minister of Biafran Republic government in exile. Or you come out and throw question and challenge so that we can come and ask you question on that date. Or you help government because you know you are fraud, fake, a thief, a 419. That is who you are. Because the Nigerian states paid you to come and scatter what was happening in Latin Finland. But shame on you people because you never achieved your aim. And you are going to vomit it back. They're going to bring it out. Because we are here and our eyes is on you people. DOS did their own. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu is where he is today. And he is going to come out. Isaiah Anyogo was the eyes of the Nigerian terrorist government in the USB. And that is why he was fighting tooth and nail to pull this declaration down. If not, prove me wrong. Why did you come and start fighting for the position of Prime Minister? The main Prime Minister is not dead. He's still alive. Undergoing some questioning that he will soon be done with. Why don't you wait for him to come out? Why must you be the acting Prime Minister? Must you be? The Prime Minister had an acting Prime Minister, which is a Deputy Prime Minister, even when he was in the cabinet with us, with you. Educated fools with money in their mind. That is who you are. And you think we're going to be scared of you? We are not scared of you because Biafra is not for one person. I want you people to know this. Biafra is for every one of us. Mazen Nnamdi Kanu told you and told us that whatsoever you can do to make Biafra to come, do it. Not in the way that Isaiah Anyogo is doing his own. There are so many shady things around Isaiah Anyogo, aka Oginkiri. Allegedly, I heard that he was a convict in the United States of America. This is the same man coming to, challenge, banter words with Dr. Madam Orabueze because she's a woman. I heard some people say, they can never in their life support this Biafra if it's not Prime Minister that declared it. That they can never be in the cabinet of Madam Orabueze. Because she's a woman. That's why flogging you people mercilessly. As much as you like, as much as you want, I hold nobody and no explanations. I don't hold anybody any explanation about my personal life. So whatever you want to do, continue to do it. You get tired. If you don't get tired, these people just come peddle lies. Olabueze is doing it, they do am, they show. Or Rabueze, they do am, they show. That Orabu Fulani, Goro Fulani is doing it, they show. Our people are being killed in the whole of the southeast. Look at Enugu massacre. Look at Onitsha massacre. Look at Anambra massacre. None of you. Isaiah Anyago came out the other day and told Biafrans, to prove a point, he asked the military to, subpedal, not to fight anymore, to stop fighting the Nigerian terrorist army, who have come to kill our people. That is what Isaiah Anyago said publicly. And that is the man who is coming to protect you. And Isaiah Anyago saw all the killings. All they do is propaganda. You will see them, Rabu Fulani is hiding our money. Leave money. Fight for our lives. First, leave the donation. Leave the contribution that they were making every Saturday first. Leave that contribution. Rabu Fulani is doing it. You ask the soldier to stand down to prove a point. Is that not what you people said? And these are the people that are going to fight and bring Biafra for you. You don't know who we are. You think we are stupid. You think Maziekpa did not grind us well? We will stand in his place until he comes back. And we pray that it comes as soon as possible. May God bless you, our Prime Minister. May God bless you, our leader, Mazen Nandikano. And may God bless you, Dr. Madam Mrs. Ngozi Orabweze, Her Excellency. May God bless all genuine Biafrans. Thank you. And I'll see you in my next video. Remember, this is the only cloth I have. Thank you.